In this video, we're going to be replacing this cushion and cover. It's tore up pretty bad right there. I picked one up from the junkyard. It only cost $6. It's in better condition. It's not perfect, but for $6 it'll do the job. All right, let's get this cover off here. Alright, just leave it like that. We have to undo this bottom of the seat belt to get it through here. This is a 18 millimeter. Alright, and down here we have two nuts up here, the silver guy right here, and another one over there. And while we're under here, we're also gonna take off all these clips. These nuts are 13 millimeter. Okay, so now it'll start to slide forward. If you can see all the way, if you follow this track all the way back, if you can see that there are these two white clips on each side. They're in a slot, so if you slide it forward, then they pop up. There we go. Okay, so that's the slot I was talking about, and these are the white clips that slide into there. Once you get the seat up, you pull this little clip off of that tab, and then we'll just undo this. Like that. And this cable for the bolsters next. It just slides down. You loosen up the bolster. It should come straight out. And now the seat cushion's out. And we'll put the new one in. Seat cushion. Just do the reverse of what you just did. Just plug that right in there, pull it, so it kind of stretches the cable a little bit, and then it locks right in. That snap. Take this here and plug her back in. And as you bring your seat down, you can get this plastic knobs into those slots. And we're going to line up this stud to go through the hole. Like that. hook up your connection again. If you have power seats or heated seats, make sure you get the right seat bottom. And we need to hook up the seat belt again. Make sure you get your seat belt flat. It always bothers me when they're twisted. So if your seat belt's twisted, this is a good time to fix it. Get it down onto the stud right there. $18mm nut. Best way to get this piece back on is to lift up right here and slide it in from the bottom. Just line up your holes. Just line that up on the bottom and then put your screws back in. When you're putting this handle back on, you see there's a slot. Lines up with those two on the plastic part. It also uses a different screw than these other three. Slightly longer, slightly bigger. And there we go. We now have a better seat bottom. It's not ripped. It's not perfect. It costs $6 at the upull. It's a lot cheaper and a lot easier to just get the bottom than to get the whole seat, especially if your upper's just fine. And that hardly took any time. So one thing I'd like to know in these trucks, if you know where you can get a matching bottom cover that's not vinyl or leather, that'd be awesome to get a cloth set. Kind of like the cloth on it. Everything's all hooked up and I'm good to go. So thanks for watching. Make sure you click that like button if you liked it. It really helps out the channel. Subscribe if you haven't already. Comment if you got any questions. If you know where you can get cloth seat covers from, let me know. All right, later.